How to log out of your Mercari account. First, you want to go to your Chrome browser or any browser of your choice, and you want to search for Mercari. After that, you'll be able to see the official website. Simply tap on the website. Here you want to tap on Got 8 to accept all the cookies from the website. And here, if you don't have an account already, you want to simply select your Google accounts over here to log in into your account. And once you're logged in onto the application, you want to simply tap on these three bars over here. And here at the very bottom of your screen, you'll be able to see a log out option if you're logged in into your account. But there is a much quicker way to log out of your account. If you're using the official Mercari app, you want to simply come back from here, and let's say this is the Mercari app. So you want to simply tap and hold on to the app itself and click on app info. After that, you want to tap on storage and cache, and here you want to simply clear your storage. By doing so, you'll be deleting all the users' data, hence logging you out of your account as well. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, do comment down below.